Hey guys, once again welcome back to our channel Creation. So friends, how are you all? I hope all will be well. So friends, today I will share with you the very beautiful amazing crochet top and blouse designs. Before starting the video, I request all of you to subscribe to my channel first and also make sure to follow. Be sure to press the bell icon. You can see very beautiful and stunning designs shown to you people in it. If you guys are interested in my videos, you can follow my channel. You can get many ideas from my videos, so friends this. So I will keep sharing similar designs with my dear friends till inshallah. Be sure to let us know in the comment box how you like our videos. If you want to watch any video related to crochet, visit my channel. Video is very helpful and useful for you guys. You can also buy to the market about such designs. Please like the video and share it with your friends and family members. Don't forget to subscribe. This type of designs is very popular in the country and girls love such clothes. Don't miss any of the video on my channel. Every video has a lovely design for you guys. This type of designs is very popular in the country and girls love such clothes. So friends, today in this video I will share with you some different designs. We will keep sharing with you in all kinds of crochet related designs. If you know how to do the crochet work yourself, you can do the work yourself with a beautiful piece of cloth. And if you guys want to, you can take a screenshot from my video and show it to someone else, and you can make a similar designs of yourself. Let's go. Inshallah, we will meet again in the next video. Thanks for watching. Take care. Stay with me. Will remember in prayer, and bye.